Hello class, you made it through week 1. Congratulations. We're on to week 2. Hope you guys have gotten the textbook. If you haven't, you need to purchase it. This is week 2. So when we're looking at week 2, we're going to complete the discussion board. You're going to complete the Google certification, which is a TK20 assignment. And you're also going to do the go to your blog, and you're going to add the pros and cons to technology use in the classroom, and then there is a cyber safety module that you're going to complete. So let's get started with the discussion board. And you guys did a good job last week posting, and I will get those graded as soon as possible. So this is week 2, and it says, what is cyber safety? And what do you know about internet safety? And provide examples of when you've seen students safety breached, or even if it was a family member, if it wasn't a child. Just share your experiences there. And then you'll come here to the weekly assignments. And inside of weekly assignments, you're going to go to week 2. Inside of week 2, you're going to be working on the Google Essentials Certificate. And if you read this information here, you'll see that this is a TK20 assignment, and it is housed in Atomic Learning. Who knew it? So when you come to the Campbell University landing page, and this is what we call the landing page, this page. Come to the landing page, you will scroll down. Of course, I have a lot of classes on mine, but yours won't be as long. But if you scroll down on your landing page, you'll see Atomic Learning here to the right. Click on Atomic Learning, and your assignment is Google Essentials. So inside of the search bar class, you're going to type Google Essentials and hit your hourglass. This green module is a 3-hour module, and you're going to complete this module. Now, the module will allow you to skip through some of the sections because it's divided into 3 parts. And those 3 parts are learn it, do it, share it, and the end is prove it. So there's 4 parts. You don't have to do all of the activities, or you don't owe me any artifacts. All I need you to do is to get the certificates, because some of you use Google Classroom and Google Essentials often, and you don't need to go through the modules. You can just go to the end, take the test, and get the certificate, and that is fine. And those of you who do need to take the to do the activities just to practice, you still don't owe me the assignments. I only want the certificate. When you share the certificate with me, let me show you what I'm looking for. I actually do want their certificate. I do not want the practice module. I want the actual certificate. So I'll show you give you an example of a certificate so that you can see what that looks like. So I have a certificate here. This is Brantley's. And this is what the certificate looks like. It says Certificate of Completion of Google Classroom Essentials, has the student's name, the date the student successfully completed it. The threshold is 80%, so I need you to make at least 80%. The hours earned for the certificate is 3 hours, and your score will be here. So this is what I'm looking for. Now, there is a practice certificate, and that is what I do not want. So I'm going to show you what that looks like to make sure that you guys understand what it is that I want. So I think that is here. Go back one. I'm sure I have this is a practice certificate. So this is what I do not want. You cannot give me this even if it's 90%. I want the actual certificate that I just gave you an example of, with your name on it, the hours earned, and remember that the threshold is 80%. Once you've completed the Google Essential Certificate, you'll need to load that to TK20. And that is the reason why last week your assignment was to make sure you got into TK20. Most of you have your TK20 accounts already. If you don't, you need to contact Miss Kelly Ashworth and she will get you one. So your next assignment is your teacher blog, and you'll continue working on your teacher blog this week. And this week you'll take a stance on pros and cons of technology. And you got to choose one side. Just take a stance. And then in 500 words, I want you to answer whether or not you think it is an advantage or disadvantage to students in the classroom, and improve your case. All right, so that's it. And then there is a cyber safety module, and I will load your cyber safety module for you. If you have questions or concerns, remember that you can text me, call me, email me, or you can post to the professor's question section in the discussion board right here where it says questions for Dr. Hampton. Okay. All right. Thank you. Have a successful week 2. Let me go back again. Let me show you also for this week, because you have modules from the book. So let me not forget those. Oh, you're 621. You guys don't have modules. Good. Your master's class. All right. Thank you guys. And like I said, contact me if you need me. Thank you very much.